What is up, guys? Your boy Mike back here again from Mike's Money Move, guys. We are back on the move again, guys, and we have a massive thing going on at the moment. We are about to make a business deal. This is one that I've been holding on for a very long time. I'm about to show you guys exactly what this is, but this is pretty much it.
Drug money, Aaron, for the Navarro drug cartel.
No, this is not drug deal money. This is not anything to do with drugs or any packages, things like that. But we are actually going to be selling a business that I've had for quite some time, which I'm about to show you guys as well. So I'm about to hop into the storage. Everything is in here, so I'll give you guys a little rundown of exactly what is happening. So basically, there was an e-commerce business venture that I was actually going for, and I wanted to basically try and do for myself. I had obviously the internal interest of getting e-commerce business, drop shipping, making websites, affiliate marketing. You know, when I was at that stage, I found a business that I thought there was quite a bit of money in it and I could do it. So I actually bought a teeth whitening business where you basically have one of those teeth whitening powders, toothbrushes, and basically gel kits where you put it in your mouth and it whitens your teeth really well. And then basically I tried doing it for a little while. It didn't actually work well for me for the time that I basically used it, but it's just, I just don't think I put enough effort into it. I forgot a trolley. I had to go back down and get it. So basically what happened was I had it up for a little while. I put it out there, did a bit of marketing on it. Not a lot more than I should have, to be very honest with you guys, but I should have done a little bit more. But we're going to be trying to sell this business, sell the kits, tried all of that. But unfortunately, I don't think I put enough effort into it. I should have put a lot more detail effort into it. I would have made a lot more money as well. So I'll show you guys at the very end. Once I do reload everything and the deal is done, it is the day before, hopefully, of selling this product. So I'm going to be meeting up with a new buyer, explaining everything, showing them the product, how it all works, even switching over the accounts. I'll try and show you guys as much as I can, but we're going to be loading the boxes into the van, leaving it in there overnight, and we are going to hopefully sell this very soon. But I'll show you guys a little bit more on the business, what it looks like, the website, things like that, to give you guys an idea. If you guys do decide you want to do this, and this is an adventure that you want to try to go for, and something in stock, I'll give you guys with the numbers, I'll give you guys an idea of what it looks like, how it works, and how much money I made during that time. So I will give you guys an idea once I do, but I will see you guys once I'm back in the van and loading all the boxes. I'll show you guys how many boxes I have. See you guys then. As you guys can see, the whole van is stacked up with all the boxes, guys. I'm about to leave. I'm about to go to the business park of where this person lives and where the business is currently at, hopefully to unload all of these boxes. So today is going to be a nice little cardio and leg day for me again. So we're going to make this transaction happen. I've just left, obviously, my house. I've just looked at all of my accounts, make sure all my passwords are all correct and it's still working. So I'm going to make sure to go to their place, hopefully transfer everything to them. I've also sent them an email as well, basically stating that I'm going to be selling their business subject to them paying me the full amount. I will show you guys the exact full amount once we are done, but this is hopefully going to be an easy transaction, fingers crossed, and I'll see you guys hopefully when I get there, and I'll see if I can get some videos for you guys. So I'll see you guys soon. Peace. At the end of it, we finally got it done. Everything was sorted and the accounts were transferred over. Alright guys, you guys would have seen a short little video of me basically selling my online business. So again guys, I sold the business to this lady, helped her out with the paperwork, helped her out with the username. So in total guys, let me give you guys a rough idea of how much I made and how much I bought it for. So when it comes to purchasing this business originally, with all the products, and originally when I purchased this, probably about 2020, so probably about 2 years ago or so now, I purchased this business for $5,000. So at the time guys, $5,000 was a lot of money, but for me, I saw the potential of what you can actually do when it comes to purchasing a business and the amount of profit you can make per unit. So just like every other business, there's gonna be a massive profit margin, and there was a huge one, especially for this one as well. Considering the owners actually purchased this and paid roughly about $20,000 for the entire unit, shipping, taxes, so on and so forth. So now that the business has sold, the light just turned off. Now that the business has sold, it has been a couple years. I've sold a couple of units as well, guys. Nothing too crazy, but the sale price of these units, I ended up selling this entire business for $5,000. So I broke even. So not great, but also not bad at the same time, guys, because I had a business, I got to try it out, I got to play with it, I got to sort of see and, dip my feet in the water to see how it was like to have an e-commerce business and basically a 3PL type of business, so a third-party logistics sort of company. But yeah, I basically broke even. I did sell some units in between, so if we take away the units and then we take away the marketing, the advertising, and the money spent on trying to get this off the ground, I would probably break even, to be honest with you guys. But it was a great experience to give you guys an idea. I broke even, I didn't win or lose, but what I gained was a lot of experience, and it shows how hard it really is to create an online business. It's not easy, so I do give props to those guys who are out there really trying to make a living out of this. But what I'll do, guys, is I'm gonna make a separate video as well to give you an idea of the marketing that I did, so some of the videos, how I made the website, what it looked like at the time. It's disabled now. And pretty much what kind of ads I use, before and afters, and if the product actually really does work. So I'm gonna leave it at that, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Happy New Year to everyone as well. This video is a little bit late, but we're starting the new year fresh, and hopefully the more to come to the new year. So I'll see you guys in the next video. You've been watching with Mike from Mike's Money Moves. If you like to talk about making money and saving it, you have come to the right channel. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.